further go one news for HoloChain holder. Yes, good news is very special, so keep watching this video. Don't skip any second of this video because the price prediction also important because HoloChain completely gone down in the previous days. So absolutely HoloChain holder, this is very big formula to what we decide. This is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So every decision is gone very important because they make you millionaire, they make you very poorest. Okay, so keep watch. Okay, guys, after let's get started the price prediction. But I get started the price prediction, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe our YouTube channel. Complete my 4,000 subscribe. Just 200 subscriber needed. Please do it, man. Please do it. Thanks for subscription. Please, thanks for subscription. This time, if you can see, the HoloChain price is gone very downly, very decreased this time. But the chain you can see here last 24 hours as 4.18%. Oh my goodness, very negative change in the red chain. They are totally bad, my friends. And what we do in this critical situation, this is absolutely very important. So guys, let's check out the market cap to what's going on in the market cap result. The market cap is totally gone down. You can see here the market cap is down 4.03%, and full diluted market cap, if you can see here, 4.03% also goes down. But if you can check out this time the volume of last 24% has gone up. You can see here 6.63% going up. So this is great news for HoloChain holder. HoloChain is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Remember this, my friends. But and those days every cryptocurrency goes down. But I don't know why they cannot take a jump. And those days, this is the mid of this month. This is the start of month. Every cryptocurrency have gone down. Then absolutely everyone can sell it. Therefore, they gone down. But at the mid of month, I don't know why they cannot increase. They cannot go and jump. They cannot take a jump. Sorry, but if you can see here the all cryptocurrency, the crypto market totally gone and increasing, gone very fastly. But I don't know why they cannot go up. This is one big question. So let's see to what's why they cannot go up. Okay, this is very important, guys. If you can see here the price change, this time you can see here holo price as 0.01822 US dollar. But this time you can see here the price change into 0.0007 994 US dollar. The chain is 4.21% going down. You can see here this time. Okay, the lowest chain and highest chain. If you can see here, this is 24-hour low and 24-hour high chain. And the last 24 hours they are low, and the low price is 0.01769 US dollar, and the high price is 0.01983 US dollar. So my friends, just trading volume has gone up this time. Otherwise, they cannot go up. You can see here the market cap rank as 46 for number. So I hope they gone up. They fastly move into top 10. What you say, can they move it? But if they take this type dumping, then I cannot say you to they can move into top 10. They go very badly down. So guys, thanks for watching. The good news as that to this is to I do a giveaway of HoloChain. 5,000 coins giveaway is coming soon. Please you just subscribe my YouTube channel and complete 10,000 subscribe. Then I do a giveaway of 5,000 coins. Yes, 5,000 HoloChain tokens giveaway is coming soon. Kindly don't miss this. I do a special video for this, but you just first time subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video. Just complete 100 like in this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.